So sorry guys, I cut that first one, but that one was called Part 1, what will be shown in as a title of it. But anyway, here we go again. I just accidentally pressed my button. So if you want info about me, just basically go to my first video, the one that says Part 1. Alright. Now this is almost all the way lower down, as you can see there. Let's roll it back. See that? It's coming back up. Isn't it missing, guys? I'm sorry, but I'm sorry that I cut the other video. I really actually cut it. I just accidentally pressed the button. So if you're wondering in the comments why I pressed it, I will respond to you. But just because I don't get there on time, please do not write a second comment, like an inquiry saying dude, why are you not responding to my comment? Alright. So to back up. Alright guys. Once again, here. On my clock you can see clearly it's 7:07. More than $110. Not this, but that same time I think it's kind of I will see you next time. Dun, dun, dun.